Hi! In front of me is REALME GT2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize text on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now you need to select Personalizations, scroll down and tap on Font and Display Size. Lastly, scroll down again and click on this dot over here under Font Size. Lastly, you need to hold it and swipe left or right in order to adjust size of your text. When you're ready, save your changes by choosing Apply, and as you can see, my font size has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!